This is a quick video on knowledge base articles. There are two ways to create knowledge base articles. The first one that I'm going to show is when a ticket is closed out, an option will appear to convert this ticket to a knowledge base article. So I'm going to go ahead and close this ticket. And now I have an option here that says convert to KB article. So if I go ahead and click that, it's going to just pull the data from the ticket. So the subject will be what the user put in. That's probably something that you want to change so that it relates more to multiple people. And it's something that they can search on. Now, in the short description, you can go ahead and edit that. The short description is going to show what the issue was, and the resolution is going to show what the technician or manager has answered. And that's usually where your step-by-step instructions are going to show up if you did put them into the ticket. So you can go ahead and edit this any which way you would like. You can use all of the formatting features here. You can do a link to a video. You can do an inline picture, anything like that. I'll show you how to put a link in so that your users can just click on a video to watch whatever you're demonstrating. You can also attach a file. If you already have help files that are written, maybe they're in PDF format, you can just create a knowledge base article, go ahead and enter the title, and then you can just attach the file that you already have. And when the end user clicks on that on that knowledge base article, then they see the attachment that you've loaded. So if you already have those done, that's a quick way to just go ahead and get the help files in the system. So I'm going to click Save and View, and then it will go ahead and show me, what I had put in there. So that's one way of converting the ticket over to a knowledge base article. Now, just simply creating one, I clicked on knowledge base on the left-hand menu, and then click on New Article. You can go ahead and select the group. If you have access to multiple groups, then they would be listed here. If you're just a manager in the one group or you only have one in the system, it will default for you. Right here is an option of marking this knowledge base article private. Now, what a private article will do is only those that are a technician or a manager will be able to see those articles. So you could store information on how to help your technicians, or maybe some drivers if you want to store them here. It just gives your technicians easy access to them. They do have to be logged into the help desk in order to see those. So if it is not marked private, then it is public, and all of your end users will be able to do a search and find those articles. So here you would put in a subject, and I'm going to do one for barcode scanning. I can enter in the information under this short description or the resolution, especially when I'm just creating one. So I typically will do it up here in the short description. I'm going to go ahead and put a link in. And so the text I want to display. Click here to view video. You can put anything that you want in there. And then the link, let me just grab this link really quick. And then you can have it open in a new window or not. They can stay right in the help desk if needed. And then insert link. So I can put that video in and then also put other instruction, multiple videos if you have those. So I'm going to scroll down here. On the tags area, you can put tags in. And what that will do is the tags need to be either a category or a category option that you're using. And once the user selects that category or that category option, then the article will appear on the ticket. So maybe they will go ahead and look at the article, see how to fix that or what to do, and then not put the ticket in. So when you're entering tags, you just begin typing. So I know that there is an email, so I'll put that in. And then the last thing here on the attachments, it's really simple. I can just go ahead and select that PDF, And now I'm going to just save and view. So what we're going to see here is the barcode scanning with the video, to where if the user clicks the video, it'll take them to YouTube or wherever you have it stored, and they can watch that. And then here's the attachments. They will be listed over here, and then the tags will be listed here as well. So usually the end user is not going to worry about the tags, but I will show you how that works. So at this point, being the manager, you have the option to approve or deny any of these articles. So if I want to approve one, I can go ahead and just click the thumbs up. If I want to deny it, I would just click the thumbs down. So I'm just going to go through and approve these. Okay, so in order to utilize those tags, and I'm going to go ahead and go into this one to approve it. So in order to utilize those tags, if you click logged in as the admin, or if as a manager you do have admin rights, you can click on System and then General. And then there's an option here to display knowledge base suggestions while entering a ticket. So I'm going to make sure that that is checked and saved. And now, let's say I'm a user and I'm putting in a ticket. The one that I marked was email, so I'm going to go ahead and select email here. Now notice these two articles right here came up. So this is where I can go ahead and click into that, read the article, watch the video, and then if it solves my problems, then I don't need to finish submitting this ticket. So that's what the tags are used for. Now, as a technician, you can always come to the knowledge base, and if you have somebody asking, how to do the barcode scanning, you can go into that knowledge base article and email that. So I can put the email address in there and then click send. And what will happen is that person will receive an email, and they will be able to click a link and go right into the knowledge base article. So the other way that end users can access knowledge base articles, they can do exactly what I just did. Click knowledge base while they're logged in. They can do a search, or they can just scroll through, depending on how many there are. Or from the login screen, you can go ahead and click search knowledge base. Now, I won't be logged in. It'll just go straight to the knowledge base. Notice there's a login option. So I'm only going to see those articles that are open to the public, and then they can be viewed just by clicking on them. So for technician articles, they need to be logged in, and if they are marked private. But for the rest of them, from end users, can be accessed from the login page, or once they're logged in, they can go ahead and click on the knowledge base here. If you have any questions about knowledge base articles, creating them, or adding tags, you can go ahead and reach out to customer success or to the support team, and we can help you out with that. Thank you for watching this quick video on knowledge base.